Hi, it's Nicole. I will be sharing my AT tool that I have incorporated into my activity lesson. My activity lesson is for kindergartners around the age of 5 years old who are learning shape recognition. This is a PowerPoint document that can test the understanding of kindergartner students. The PowerPoint vocally asks the question, "What shape is this?" for auditory learners, and also has written text, "What shape is this?" for visual learners. The speaker icon is also provided on the activity if the student needs to repeat the question, which can be found here. Also, back and forth buttons are provided to allow for additional processing support, which are found at the bottom. Also, if you go up to the Transitions tab, on the document, the duration of the slides can be altered to allow for auditory process for additional processing time. So if you go to the Transitions tab, you'll find duration, and you can alter the duration to allow for additional processing time. All right, so I'm going to go to another slide here. A good job reward is provided to encourage students and to increase the likelihood of students responding correctly. So it says, if you said a circle when asked what shape is it, you answered correctly, and then you have a good job. Stick your hair. And I also say that as well. So I say, if you said a circle, you answered correctly. Good job on the second page. So I'm going to go back to the home screen. We're going to view this as a slideshow. I just wanted to mention that I'm using the free version of the screencast. So my computer audio doesn't come in all the way with the free version. It doesn't record the computer audio very well. But I do, on the actual document, I do say, test your understanding. What shape is this? I say, vocally say the question as well as the question is written. But I'm not sure if it's going to allow you guys to hear the vocal because I'm using the free version of the screencast system. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. We can start viewing this as a slideshow so you guys can get a preview. What shape is it? If you said what shape is it? All right, that is the end of my presentation. Thank you for viewing.